Hello, good morning, friends. Most welcome BBC online classes. Subject Computer Application and class ninth, chapter number 2. So, the name of the chapter Introduction to Java. So, in this chapter, I will discuss the what is the Java and history of Java and how to run the Java program, okay, and what is the compiling. So, I will discuss it means the working of Java, right? So first of all, I will define what is the Java. Java is a programming language and computing the platform. So here I will discuss the first Java program developed the Microsoft in 1995. So first Java program, and what is the requirement? So there are a lot of application and website or develop in the Java programming. So everywhere is a Java. So like the game, like any type of software and laptop, and scientists also use cell phone programming also use, like you can say the Google also make the program in Java. So Java is everywhere, right? Why? Because Java especially give the better security. History of Java. So so I will discuss Sun Microsoft system. The name of this James Gosling. So 1991, the James Gosling thinking we can create a small program, and this program work on internet. So James Gosling the develop and studying in 1991. So I make the I make the like one program that types this program is run on internet, so we can use on internet. So in 1981 the first program thinking, and after the 18 month one program is this person is created. The name of this program is okay is this is the name of program. And after the 1993 this program make again and modify, and this program running on internet. So this program is running on internet, so this name also the okay. But but in 23rd of March 1995, Sun Microsoft system made the first publicly realized. So first program and first programming of Java programming realized in 1995, and globally every person use the Java program. So here the you can say the first Java programming developed in 1995, and that time is a version is going on Java 14 and JDK 14. You can say JDK means Java Development Toolkit, and now JDK 15 is going on. Okay, in 7th of March 2020. So here I will discuss the different version, and you learn the definition of SE. SE means standard edition, and JDK means Java, D for development, K for kit. So Java development kit is specially used for creating a program. Okay, so here I will discuss the history. JDK 1 in 96, JDK 1.1 97, and J2 SE Java 2 Standard Edition 1.2 and 98. So here the history of version. Okay, different version in different year. So now Java SE 15. So now is going on. It's like you having the mobile phone. So latest version coming after the some addition. So again the latest version again is going on. So as it is the latest version of the Java programming. Okay, modify, then again new version, new some addition. So as it is JDK 1.1 and 1.0. So you can say the JDK, and 1.2 and 1.4 is a J2 SE Java 2 Standard Edition, right? And 1.5 is a Sun Okay, 1.1.5 that is going on now. And here I will discuss the working of white code. What is the white code? So here I will discuss. In the previous chapter already defined source code. It means user always write the simple program in Java in source code. Source code after then compile. Okay. The machine language only the binary language 0 and then 1. So Java program first convert in source code to machine code. How? First compile and compile, after then white code, after then JVM, and then machine code. So this is a processing, this is a working of compiling of programming. Okay, for source code, after then compiling, white code, JVM means Java virtual machine. Okay, and just like a, you can say that just like a assemble, assembling language. So just like a assemble language. So first convert the source code in with the help of compiling, convert the white code create a file, and this file is converted in JVM convert in the machine code. So I will check here. White code in the Java is a reason Java is a platform independence. First of all, I know the platform independence. So as soon as the Java program is compiled, white code is generated. After compiling, the white code is generated. Okay, compiling after the white code is generated. To be the more precise, as Java white code is machine code in the sum of the class. So this white code is generated, then you can say the class file. So this white code generate and making the class file. After then, the white code in Java is instruction set of Java virtual machine, and this white code give the code, it means give the class file to JVM and act to the similar to the assembler. So this like a JVM is like a assembler. Okay, assembler like the assembler definition, the symbolic code. After then here I will discuss what is the BlueJ. So like 2-number question may be generated. What is the BlueJ? So BlueJ is a IDE, integrated development environment, and for Java programming language, and develop mainly use of BlueJ. So mainly use of BlueJ especially the education purpose, but also you can create a small software development program also. Okay. So BlueJ. So I will discuss the history of the BlueJ. The development of the BlueJ starting in the 1999. Okay, 1999. Okay. Michelle Collins and Jones Resnovels. Okay, Mercer Universities. Okay, and 2009 to freely, it means free of cost, without any pay, every person you can use. In March of 2009, the BlueJ project become the free and open source software. It means every person free of cost you can download and then you can use what the BlueJ. When the Java programming after then I will come the after these topics. Okay, assembler. So when a Java program is execute, the compiler compile that the piece of white code. So white code is generate the method. So white code generate the method. That is the program is name is class. So white code generate the method. The name is class. So we can run easily. We can run this white code on any other platform. Okay. But the white code is non-runnable. This is not a directly run to machine. So requirement of JVM. With the help of JVM, you can convert the white code to machine code. What I am saying, you want to convert the white code to machine code. So requirement of JVM. So JVM, with the help of JVM, you convert the white code to machine code. Okay, JVM is a virtual machine. After then I will discuss what is the byte code, what is the machine code. So I will discuss the main difference between the machine code and byte code is that the machine code is set of instruction, is a machine code, you can say this is a binary code. Okay, this directly execute the CPU. And after then byte code is a non-runnable. It means this is not directly run to machine code. It's a requirement of JVM. So this is a non-runnable code is generated by the compiling source code and realize the interpreter and get the execute. Realize the interpreter means JVM. So byte code to machine code, how to convert? With the help of JVM. JVM convert the byte code to machine code. Feature of BlueJ. Okay, so simple beginning and friendly graphical use. It means friendly use the BlueJ. We can see everything. It's allow the creating the object and class dynamically. It means itself create your requirement, then write the name, then itself class created. Okay, support syntax highlighting. So this Java programming, you write the program, then you find the error. So this Java program, it means BlueJ programming. BlueJ give the error and which line error, what the name of error, so easily highlighted. If facilitate it easy to find the debug. What is the meaning of debug? Debug means error. So easily we can find out the error with the help of BlueJ. Why? Because this highlight the problem. And fifth point is provide the code editor. This provide the code editor, compiler and debugging. So with the help of this we can easily find out the error. This is a feature. Ordering of compiling the process. So here I will discuss how to order. Source code first you want to compile, you want to convert in the machine code. So source code with the help of compiler the convert the machine code. This is a platform independence machine, right? This is a platform independence machine. So here I will discuss source code, compile, byte code here the byte code. Okay, platform independence with the help of JVM and machine code after that. So one program, one step here, compiling. So source code compiling to machine code. So source compiler use source code. So source code convert in the byte code. Byte code you want to convert in machine code. So with the help of JVM we convert to machine code. So this is structure. This is right structures. The processing. Sum of term. So here I will discuss again byte code. Byte code is a intermediate. It means the third person. It is a intermediate code which get after the compiling the source code. Okay, how to find the source code. And this is platform independence, and we can say that is a instruction set of JVM. Okay, what is the meaning of the platform? What is the meaning of the platform? Platform means it is a combination of hardware and operating system. Again the same things, Java compiling the processing. So here I will discuss now. Java programming need to the compiling to byte code. So without compiling you can run? No. So second, byte code run to need to convert the machine code. So like here the best example I will tell you. Just like one programmer write the source code. So source code like the save java code dot java. So first save the file and compile okay. And this is a compile with the source code convert to the byte code. So requirement of the compilations. So here generate the file, just like a name already defined the class file. So byte code make the class file, and here the after then JVM. Every class have the different type of JVM. JVM here. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. And Java Virtual Machine for second program, Java Virtual Machine for second, third. Okay. So here the right working. Source code convert to byte code. So with the help of compiler, and source code you want to convert into machine code. So with the help of JVM. So with the help of JVM, convert the source code to machine code. Here the working. Java program write in the Java file. This is source code, and then compile. White code. White code is a code generated after the Java program is compiled. After the compile. So the name of Java, okay, class file. After the JVM, Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine which has the read the white code to and interpret into the machine code. So this is a work or like the interpreter. Okay. Just in time. Just in time is a part of JVM. Is a part of JVM and is a compile the white code and execute the real time. This is a real time. Okay, this is a real time. So JVM where the just in time. Just in time. This is JVM. So how much time take convert the white code to machine code? So with the help of JVM, with the help of just in time, we can find out the time. Which time? The compiling times white code to machine code, right? So here the characteristics of Java. Okay, it means what the beneficial to the person. So Java has the many characteristics. Characteristic is able to powerful and popular language. So write the Java program run anywhere. So this program run anywhere. Okay, lightweight code. It means lightweight code means not a requirement the heavy code. So lightweight code. Security point of view, this is give the Java is a better security as a comparison to other language. 100% OOPS language, object oriented programming language. Okay, and platform independence. So Java is a platform independence. Okay, it means you can run the program of any outside type of Java. So here I will tell you the two type of Java program. Number one is a internet applets and second standard alone application. What is the meaning of the internet applet? It means you want to make the program like graphical, like designing. So applet we can use, and where you run this program. So applet is a small Java program that is embedded in HTML. Like you create an HTML file. So Java applet programming code where you write on HTML, and this program with the help of program we can design any diagram. Okay, and this is working on internet, right? And Java standard alone application, this is simple programming. This is a simple programming, like you write the simple program on the system. So Java standard alone applications that are the program written in the Java and carry out the certain tasks and take action. That is the application to run directly by the Java interpreter. Okay, so simply you make the game also in this program, and the major difference I will tell you here, you make the designing like graphical and working on HTML page, but here the simple programming you can make, and you make the programs on the system and without internets you can make the program. So today I will tell you I will explain the history of computer and working of compiler and JVM, and next class I will tell you the first program how to open, and I will discuss the BlueJ program. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.